have to video you?
Yeah, it's on video right now.
I'll video you.
You can start singing that song, Michael, will you miss me when I'm gone?
Where's it at?
Just find it, we ain't sure it's somewhere. It's on this. Hey, Mike, it's on the lower side of the hill.
Just look just right, you can see the silver on the windshield. Every little bit.
I don't see it.
I thought you found it on up this way, Adam.
I think they said it was about.
Right here.
Mike.
I can see it. Right there, right underneath that stick. Where it is.
Okay.
You see the silver?
Yeah, you can see the silver on it. There's more air bubbles out of it.
Now, it's muddy right there now, I'm telling you.
Well, where's the best place to get in?
Well, I mean, it's a.
You can get in off the pier and swim, I guess.
It's real good over there, Mike.
What is that?
Straight swim over.
It's gonna fall. It's just gonna slide straight off in there.
I'm just going to jump out there. I'm not going to try to even touch the bottom or anything.
You want to take the chain now, or you want to wait?
You want to get in the boat and go out there?
You got a boat?
You want
That'd be the best place.
You want any more questions?
Yeah, flip off the back. Get out there, Adam. Get the boat.
If you got a
Yeah, bring that boat over here.
Oh, I'm going to put you back in here, man.
Mike, I'm gonna tell you, saving the day.
well, it ain't saved yet.
Just add your bill on to Johnny, and they charge $20 every 15 minutes.
You know what Margie said? This is a funny April Fool. Oh, I said he did the April Fool's tree
Look
there.
at everybody on video. It's be on YouTube tonight.
Don't get me
Be on YouTube tonight. We're gonna get the chat. We gotta get the. We gotta get it all on here. Host, you got the old standby. She's gonna pull her out.
I'll put tell Danny to pull on Dagger. He might get too close. We got a record here, though.
Get out then.
Sup, Steve-O?
That's amazing.
Mommy, your battery's
We're
running
on
out.
both sides of it. It's a whole lot easier to carry.
Go,
Just stand there and hold it.
go up there and pull Jay. You film this. I'm gonna pull Jay Lee down here. He wants to see this.
I'll get him.
Drive him down here. Jay Lee ain't 92. He needs to be able to see everything he can.
That's true.
Dang, it's right.
I don't even think it's long till I get in the boat.
Well, no, I was trying to get it down here. I can swing it right there to you.
All right.
I tell you, we can hold it.
If you stand.
What?
You know it's in there. How do you even know it's in there?
Dad, see my toolbox?
It's just blinking.
Here in the gas jug over there. I poured a solar.
I didn't know it was that dang deep right there.
You can see the top of the windshield.
It's a Toyota though. I wasn't surprised they pull it out and crank right up. I just didn't get mud. It'll flip.
I don't blame you, no.
Who's gonna get in here with me?
Hop in there, Stephen.
Alright, go ahead and get the chain.
I got you. I guess you try hooking this hook. If you can, try to hook it this way.
Well, the boat I normally get in.
Yeah, this ain't a kayak, is it?
I don't think I can flip this back. Here, just hold my hand or my shoulder or something.
Yeah.
How you doing, Mike? Hey, Steve. Good. I can't believe it. I didn't know it was that deep there.
That deep, I didn't know there's a pond here.
April Fools 2013.
This ain't April Fool on me.
If it is, it's me too.
I'll be out here swimming around trying to find something.
Adam's got a lot of expense for an April Fool's Day.
Is them dry suits?
You need to turn it on now, Mom?
Where's the chain? Adam's got it. Are you gonna hook the chain here? See it?
Right there he is.
Take a chain out the boat.
I will give him the cable after he gets a hook. If he
One thing at a time, Larry.
But he'll have to put it in
You got your phone on you, Adam?
Adam,
he's
dive
got it
in,
right
show
here.
where it's at.
Okay.
Hey, give it. You wanna hold it for him?
No, it don't matter. It's fine. I just want to make sure you didn't have it
I
because
just gonna stand on it.
Don't turn my boat over.
Alright, you get on this other side.
goes off, Adam's coming this way. Adam, when he goes off, you better go back that way.
I know.
It ain't gonna flip.
All right, Mike, it's right here. Hurry, get the boat out of the way so we can video it.
Where's that?
Should be right in here somewhere. You see it, Lucas?
Yes, right over here.
Right over there.
He's right there on top of it now.
This is
That ain't funny, is it, Adam?
No.
Not a bit.
Here it is.
Hey, Adam,
see, water ain't deep right there, is it?
Adam, I need you
Is
to
it
get
suits that
get-
warm? Are you cold, Mike?
Not really.
Alright, let me hook
It's
that.
not insulated, it's just watertight. Alright, I'm gonna look down. Where's the front end of
The front end's facing like that.
Facing right where hand is.
Where's the chain?
He said there was like a hook on the bumper.
It might be better for him just to hook that cable straight in.
Adam, you know something? Everybody
that
here's been
hook.
laughing but you.
Hey, I ain't laughing at
No
you.
lie, I lost that's $4,000 truck.
What'd you
I
say?
thought you
No,
was
no, I was just appreciate it anyway. Though.
Ain't no problem. Somebody's going to give him a longer hose.
You could just have his tank in it. I want one of the suits. They're high though.
Be best to probably hook the cable, you think?
What do you want to do? Hook the
Yeah,
hook the
I was going to
cable
hook
to the
it.
chain?
Yeah, but if he can get down there and hook that cable.
They do good in the water.
Yeah.
You can get them underneath the water, they're helping.
Chain.
Yeah.
I mean, I ain't worried about it.
You go paddle on out there. I'll give you slack.
Don't run over it now.
Let him have it. Let him have the hook off the cable, and that way we'll have to worry about losing the
You need
chain.
this.
Yeah. So, that's it.
You see the front of it, Mike?
Yeah, I'm standing on the hood.
Don't
That
dent
was
it.
the top of it.
Hey, Mike, don't dent it.
That was the cab.
Did you feel that hook on the bumper?
I believe it's right here.
Okay.
The truck's facing this way, right?
Yeah.
All right, just hook it. Did you feel that hook on the front bumper?
No, it's muddy.
Is it deep? It's deep.
Is there mud up?
It's down like this.
Oh, that's good. As long as it ain't like this, we'll be
Yeah.
all right.
What, the
If
back
it's down,
down?
yeah, if the front's down, we'll be all
I
right.
just need the chain to just
I'm gonna let you-
dry, 'cause I'm gonna start getting cold here in a minute.
Yeah.
You want to try to hook that cable in and put that
It's
hook?
a hook on the front of my bumper.
Okay.
Just hook that hook in.
Right, my boat out.
I'm gonna start getting.
You know, you probably wouldn't have to do much, so Adam. Drain the gas, I'm sure, and
Hey, Johnny said it'll be no problem.
really, I didn't figure it'd be much. You had it. You had it
Drain all the
like
fluids out of it.
Hey, this first hour is what's really paid at.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I did. I turned it back on
Yeah.
though.
Turn it off
Yeah,
to get ready to go under.
We're getting ready to your mic's not.
Okay, ready?
To the bumper. It's completely under. Hey, I'm gonna get off there. Okay.
I'm gonna pull the boat out.
All right.
Get it. I just want to look at it first. Kind of feel around.
Find that
I
hook.
didn't feel no hook. I just felt the bumper, which I don't think it's going to matter. Y'all?
Well,
Not pull the bumper off.
it'll pull the bumper off. There's two hooks on the front.
Bill, is it on the right hand? Is it like mine on the right hand side? It's on the passenger side.
Passenger side, there's a hook.
Just like in your hand.
It's up under the bumper.
Yeah, on the passenger side underneath on the bumper. Yeah,
Is it under the bumper?
it sticks out. Yours sticks out, don't it? Like mine. Yeah, it'll stick out right where the bumper is. If you run your hand across all the way along the bumper, you'll get it. It's right there.
It's right under. This is right under.
All the bumpers in the mud.
It's kind of in the mud.
That's what it's hard to find.
Hooked anything else? think
There's no way you can get to the axle, is it?
It's Toyota truck.
No, I didn't think so.
I don't believe it. I looked at the back of it. It's about
15, 20.
If the bumper's in the mud, there's no way you can get to the axle.
No.
either.
I tell you what, just get the rocks in that wetsuit. You'll go down better. You'll go down better. I don't know that we can hook it to the bumper with that hook.
You know what I'm talking about, the hook on the front.
Oh yeah, yeah, I know what you're talking about. The only thing is, if I can, ain't no.
Might have to get it back out over there too.
Yeah, we'll let you get this tell them the time, front page next week.
That'd be hard to
It's on the hook.
It's hooked up.
All right.
It's on the hook. Let's get the boat out first. I gotta pull the boat out now.
I'm just
I got it on the hook.
I'm gonna keep it tight. So
It's on it.
Okay.
You gotta get the boat. You gotta get pulling at him. Are you pulling it?
No, not yet.
Get him out of the way.
I was just gonna keep the slack tension on it.
Alright, get it. Get the slack.
Hang on, hang on.
Hold on.
Oh, okay.
I'm glad you got more sense to do something like that.
Me too. The four-wheelers and golf cart was enough.
You let Buster put your shit.
That's our luck right here.
Yeah, I know. That sounds like
Something happened to me.
I had to call me before I wanted to borrow that boat.
Alright.
You tell me about that. I ain't gonna believe it. Here it comes,
Look
man.
at all the bubbles.
Here it comes. Again, get him.
Move that J League seat. That's a lot to pull right there. That's a lot to pull.
Smells like gas.
Landed my daggum tag.
Did you tell that? Was your line already broke?
Hey, we'd never done it with Al Smith's tractor.
No, because it ain't got that, you know,
I'm gonna help him.
I'll help him.
What, help him get out? Yeah, just come crawl up to the over at that tree.
Go help him. You help him pull him out. Wait,
Wait.
wait. video too, Jay Lee.
I'm on the video, man.
How you doing today?
Okay, all right, how are you?
You ever seen anything? You ever seen anything like this before?
I've never seen nothing like this before. We'll see how they got that thing out of there. How do you think?
We're gonna get Alan Smith's tractor. I'm glad we didn't.
He'd never done it.
I don't think we'd have done it. He's got to have something that's got some leverage to it.
I don't know what he's doing with it. I think he can, but I don't know.
Oh yeah.
Pick the whole thing up.
It's coming out now. I'm glad we didn't get Alan Smith's tractor. You gotta have something to pick up on that baby.
We're in the right way.
Right here is the lifesaver of the party right here, old Mike. No, ain't no way.
All I ask is for him to come to kayak class. And then he'd be able to do this kind of stuff.
Right there at the top. Hey.
Janet said, "Can you record this?" I said, "Yeah, but Janet's got it on."
This is Mike's phone.
Oh, he got places. Make it full higher.
Where you gonna go with it? Who's gonna help you work on it?
Right in there at our yard.
Don't you? What do you charge? Take it over there. What about it?
He purchased on
Fish
his own.
film. It's about running. And
Hannah. How you stop this? You're done.